Row, as local traditional rulers' council writes, Ministry of Interior over rumored Igbo kingdom in Ghana. The traditional ruler of the Ningo Pram-Pram municipality in the Greater Accra region has written an official letter to the Ghanaian Ministry of Interior for swift intervention of the rumored institution of an Igbo community in Ghana. Recall that recently, a Ghanaian media presenter on social media raised serious concerns over the presence of the Eze Ndigbo in Ghana, king of the Igbo community in Ghana, and his subjective authority and kingdom he built within the Ghanaian state, alleging how he was granted access to the Ghanaian Traditional Council through illegal means, arguing that it directly undermines its independence and sovereignty, and as such cannot be tolerated. However, Mr. Chukwudi Ihenetu, the Eze Ndigbo in Ghana, rebuffed the allegations, calling it fake news, an attempt to instigate hate against the Igbo community in Ghana by certain group of people. According to him, the Igbo diaspora traditional ruler in Ghana earned his position in the Traditional Rulers' Council through legal means recognized by Ghanaian laws. Notwithstanding, the Ningo traditional chief convened an emergency meeting with the members of its traditional council and denounced knowledge and support for the institution any Igbo kingdom in Ghana or acquisition of Ghanaian lands for such purposes, also urging the Ghanaian Ministry of Interior to arrest and question Mr. Ihenetu for attempts to undermine Ghanaian national security. The issued communiqué reads, "We bring you warm greetings from the Ningo Traditional Council. Our attention has been drawn to recent media publications about the alleged establishment of a kingdom by a self-proclaimed king of Igbos in Old Ningo within the Ningo Paramountcy. The Traditional Council, today, Tuesday, 8th July, 2025, held an emergency meeting to deliberate on the matter. After consultations amongst ourselves and with our Member of Parliament who doubles as Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovations, we have reached the following positions on the matter. The ancient Great Ningo Kingdom has always been welcoming to visitors including the British, Dutch and Germans. The Ningo Paramountcy is led by our chief, HRM Nene Osoro Agbo Jangma Tufivi, and does not intend to have either ruler domiciled on our land. The five clans who own land along the Tema Aflau Road in the general Old Ningo area have not sold any land to the said Igbo king to develop a kingdom. We call on the Minister for Interior, who doubles as minister responsible for national security, to take immediate steps to use all lawful means at his disposal to invite and interrogate the said individual to ascertain the exact facts about his purported land acquisition. The statement also urged the district chief of the Ningo Pram-Pram to not issue or grant any permit for the construction of any Igbo kingdom or building designated for such purpose. By this letter, we notify the Honorable District Chief Executive of the Ningo Pram-Pram District Assembly to ensure his engineering unit does not grant any permits for the construction of the said kingdom or any of its buildings. The Traditional Council reiterates our hospitality to visitors and is quick to point out that we currently host persons from over 20 different nationalities who have resettled on our land in their private capacities. None of them has tried to establish a kingdom or any such community. Our guests have always subjected themselves to the authority of the Traditional Council, and that remains a critical requirement for the enjoyment of our warm hospitality. That Family Writers Press International,